Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can go into clear mode when you're watching videos on TikTok. So open up TikTok right here, and what this means is that when you go into clear mode, the caption, like their name and everything, will just be off, so that if they have like a lot of text, the caption won't block it. Select the video for a few seconds and select clear mode. As you can see, I can't select clear mode right now because I'm currently screen recording, but I'll put in a screenshot of the clear mode in the next clip. So that is the clear mode, like what it will look like. And then if you want to exit clear mode, you can just select the screen again and select exit screen mode. And that is basically it. I'm sorry I can't really show you it because I am screen recording. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer it all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!